Hello and welcome to the configuration of the SCCM Lens trial. Once you've downloaded the trial from the Partner Showcase and have PowerBI desktop installed, you can double click on the template. It'll load PowerBI desktop, and then we can configure your data source. It comes right up, and we are asked for the SCCM database in my environment that is for my lab. So I enter in the database name and then of course the SCCM database itself, press load, and the information will be loaded into our Power BI dashboards. Once all the data has been loaded, the dashboards and widgets will be populated. And as you can see, we come up to our overview where we get the information from your SCCM database with just red and green, and yellow, of course, if any issues are there. A little bit about client information. We have our endpoint management, our protection dashboard. If you're using SCCM's malware detection, then the information will be here. Since this is a lab, there are no live infections. We have hardware inventory, software inventory, and then if you are interested in our full version, you can contact sales@infrontconsulting.com to get that information.